Good morning, sir.
Very good.
Good
Very good
morning, sir.
morning.
Morning,
Very
sir.
good morning. Very good morning. Okay. Uh, Yesterday we left at we are going to study about polynomials, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So next one more concept on polynomials is zero of the polynomial. After that we have zeros. Zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial. Okay, so what it mean by zeros of a polynomial? See here, zero of a zero polynomial. Wait, if any polynomial p of x, if any polynomial p of x, so p of x means any polynomial. See here, uh, consider the polynomial p of x is equal to, so any polynomial is taken as p of x. So here one polynomial is given 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. If we replace x by 1 everywhere in p of x, we get, see, x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5 1 raised to 3 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 5 into 1 1 minus 2 into 1 2. So 5 into 1 is 5 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬಂತು ಆನ್ಸರು 4 ಬಂತು. ಓಕೆ, so we say that the value of p of x at x is equal to 1 is 4. Similarly, p of 0 is minus 2. Can you find p of minus 1? ಹಾಗೆ find out ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Like that, find the value of each of the following polynomials at the indicated value of variables. So x value will p of x value ಏನು ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ x, wherever x is there we have to substitute the value of that. Okay, okay, so p of x is equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7 at x is equal to 1. See here, for that 5x square minus 3x plus 7 at x is equal to 1 ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. p of 1 is equal to 5 1 square minus ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಬಾಪ. See here, 5. 1 square is 1. 5 into 1 is 5. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. Plus 7. 7 plus 5 is 14. 14 minus, sorry, 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. So value of the polynomial at x equal to 1 is 9. In the same value of the polynomial at y is what? 2. So what will happen? That is 16 plus root 11. So value of t, value of the polynomial at t equal to a is, so substitute the value anywhere t is there, we have to substitute the value as a. So 4a square plus 5a cube minus a square plus 6. Okay. So consider the polynomial p of x is equal to x minus 1. So p of x is equal to x minus 1 ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. Then what is p of 1? So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ x minus 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ p of 1, x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 minus 1 is 0. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ಗಿವನ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ 0 equal to 0 ಬಂತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is solution of that polynomial. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ zeros ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, so we say that 1 is a zero of the polynomial p of x. So e p of x is equal to x minus 1 ಗೆ 1 ಅನ್ನೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ 0 of the given polynomial p of x ಅಂತ. In the similar way, see here, one more is given. Check whether minus 2 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial x plus 2. See, if I substitute value 2 in x, so 2 plus 2 is 4. So this is plus 2 is not a zero of the polynomial. But if you substitute minus 2 here, so minus 2 plus 2, so minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore minus 2 is a zero of the polynomial x plus 2, but 2 is not. Okay, like that. Zero of the polynomial means if the value of the polynomial is 0 at the given point, then that point is called as the zero of the polynomial. All of you understood?
ಸರ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
See here, ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಜೀರೋ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಹೌದೋ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಅ ಜೀರೋ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್, ಎನಿ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾವೇ ಜೀರೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ p of x equal to 0, means we have to take the given polynomial equal to 0. So for this example, so find a zero of the polynomial p of x equal to 2x plus 1 means, for this we have to take p of x is equal to 0. It means that 2x plus 1 equal to 0 we have to take. So 2x is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to what? Minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this x is equal to minus 1 by 2 is the zero of this polynomial. See, let us verify. P of x is equal to what? 2x plus 1. So P of, if you take this value here, minus 1 by 2, 2 into what is the value of x? That is minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So 2 get cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1. Again these get cancelled, equal to 0. It means that P of minus 1 by 2 is the zero of this polynomial. Therefore, minus 1 by 2 is the zero of the polynomial. Okay, zero of the polynomial. All of you understand this one? Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿವ ಕಿರಿಕಿರಿ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾನ ಬಾಳ. ಓಕೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಜೀರೋ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣಂತೆ. ಹೊಡಿತಾರಲ್ಲೇ ಅವರು, ಹೊಡಿತಾರ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾ ಅಂದ್ರ ಆಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಳು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಮ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. Okay, see, so this is not sorry, ಸುಮ್ಮರಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಡಿ. Okay, file was modified here. Okay, dear students, today we are going to solve the exercise 4.1 manually. After we'll prepare the PPT later. Okay, which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. So whether it is a polynomial, we have to check, we have to say whether it is a polynomial or not. So already given a statement for that. When we say the given expression is polynomial, and when we say given expression is not polynomial, whether it is a polynomial or not. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Reason for this, why it is a polynomial? ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ರೀಸನ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ನೀವ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಪಾಲಿನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ? ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ತಗೋ ತಗೋ ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೋ, JCB ತಗೋ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡು. So exponents are whole numbers. Here exponents are whole numbers or positive integers, so it is a polynomial. Here, is this a polynomial?
Yes, sir.
Or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is also polynomial because variables having their exponents are positive integers. Here,
No.
because here t as root means t to the power 1 by 2. T to the power 1 by 2 is a fraction. So exponents don't have their powers in terms of positive integers. Okay, so here,
No, sir.
No, sir.
here also y to the power minus 1, so negative integer. Here it negative integer came, so this is not a polynomial. This one is not a polynomial. Fourth one is not a polynomial. And
No.
fifth one,
No, sir. No.
why?
Yes, sir.
Whether it is a polynomial or not. Some are saying yes, some are saying no. Huh? Is this a polynomial or not?
Polynomial.
Yes, sir.
No.
Polynomial, sir.
No, it is not a polynomial because there are three different variables. So we have to say it is a polynomial. It should have polynomial in one variable. Okay, so in previous we studied about it. Okay, so expression of this form are called polynomials in one variables. Okay, one variables ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಆರ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ. Yes, you are saying this is a polynomial. That's true, but it is not a polynomial in one variable. Okay, ಇದು ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಿಜ, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇನೋ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್, ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ಲೋ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ತ್ರೀ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್. ಓಕೆ,
Yes.
so second mean, write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. What is the coefficient of x square here?
1.
Here
-1.
good. Here
5 divided by 2.
here
0.
No.
sir.
Yes, 0. So here x square, here we don't have any x square value. Okay, right. So give one example each of a binomial of degree 35. See, give one example each of a binomial of degree 35 and of the monomial of degree 100. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಮೊನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 100 ಹಚ್ರಿ, ಬೈನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 35 ಹಚ್ರಿ. ಅಂತಹ ಎರಡು ಪಾಲಿನೋಮಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, write the degree of each of the following by polynomials. Write the degree of each of the following by polynomials. What is the degree of this polynomial?
3, sir.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 3 ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು? 2 ನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, 1 ನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪವರ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಆ ಪಾಲಿನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್, ಆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪವರ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರದಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ದಟ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಲಿನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. x raised to 3 is the degree of this polynomial. Okay, what is the degree of this polynomial?
2, sir.
2.
Sir.
What is the degree of this polynomial?
1, sir.
Very good. So what is the degree of this polynomial?
3x 0. 3x is to 0, sir.
Degree of the polynomial is 0.
Only
0. Okay. Following as linear, quadratic, and cubic.
Quadratic.
Linear polynomial ಯಾವುದು? Cubic polynomial ಯಾವುದು? First one.
Quadratic.
Because it has degree 2, so quadratic polynomial. This one,
Sir. Cubic, sir.
cubic polynomial. This one,
Quadratic, sir. Linear, sir.
Linear, sir.
Linear, sir. Quadratic, sir.
linear.
Sir, fifth one.
This one is linear.
Quadratic, sir. Cubic, sir. Cubic,
Very
sir.
Very good. Okay. So this completes your exercise 4.1 of polynomials. Okay. We will discuss exercise 4.2 in tomorrow class. Okay. Means day after tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.